Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check in online for a flight on Spirit. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're almost going on a Spirit flight and you need to go ahead and check in. How do you actually go ahead and do this online? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So, first things first, you won't be able to check into your flight until within 24 hours of your departure time. So what I mean by that is if your flight tomorrow is at 8 a.m., that means within 24 hours of that 8 a.m., you'll be able to check in into your flight. But you can't check into your flight like 2 days before your flight though, nor can you check into your flight like 1 week before. But as far as how to check in on Spirit goes, the first thing that you need to do is that you need to get your confirmation number. So with this confirmation number, you could do it one of two ways. You can grab your confirmation number, click on check-in, and you can enter your last name and your confirmation code. So with your last name and your confirmation code, just click on check-in, and then this is going to take you to the online check-in page on Spirit. So once you're on this page here, all you've got to do is click on check-in and get boarding pass, but also make sure that all the statuses like the booking dates, etc. are all confirmed. So click on check-in and get boarding pass. Now from this option here, you are going to be allowed to select a seat, but with selecting a seat, you may need to pay for it. But if you just want to sit anywhere, just go ahead and click on continue. Now it is going to ask you to buy bags. So if you need to buy bags, go ahead and buy bags or click on nope, I'm good. Now there are additional options here. You can just click on continue if you want to go ahead and ignore them. And then afterwards, it's going to ask if you want to add travel insurance. You can click on no. And as far as hazardous materials go, just simply click on accept as long as you're not bringing in any of these stuff. So the next thing is that you can either print your boarding pass or email your boarding pass. So we're going to choose both options. And so with that, you've now gone ahead and checked in online. But there you have it, guys. By checking online, you can now go ahead and save this PDF and print it as your boarding pass. But that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check in online for a flight on Spirit. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.